Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, alright kaibigan, hopefully nasa magandang kalagayan ka. Welcome to Karsada University kaibigan. Wala tayo ngayon sa parking, dito ngayon sa Karsada, and I hope you well. Hopefully all is good tayo sa'yo kaibigan. Alright, so kung saan ka mang sulok ngayon sa mundo, it could be umaga, tanghali, gabi, be grateful kaibigan. Alright, yung topic natin ngayon is inspired action. Okay, ito yung paborito ko itong si Nobel Goddard kaibigan, kasi napakagandang napakarami yung na-inspired niya kaibigan, at saka it could be mayroon tayong gift isa-isa na nagpo-focus siya sa manifestation, nagpo-focus siya sa it could be you could start with nothing, but if you start to enable your imagination kaibigan, yung thoughts natin kaibigan it's very powerful. It's a frequency that we could tap to the universe kaibigan. We could do whatever we want kaibigan. Wow! And we could ask whatever we want and we could receive. Wow! So ano yung topic natin ngayon? Ang topic natin ngayon kaibigan is ano ka-importante itong inspired action. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ni Nobel Goddard. So pag tayo ay mayroong gusto, okay? Mayroon tayong gusto nga ma-achieve, or mayroon tayong gusto nga you want to become that person to be, or you want something physical, bagay or anything na gusto mong makuha. Okay, so ang sabi ni Nobel Goddard kaibigan, ang unang para makuha natin yung kaibigan, dapat i-enable natin yung imagination natin, di ba? So kasi yung imagination natin, ito yung magtatap sa frequency para mabigyan tayo ng opportunity. Mayroong events na darating na hindi mo akalain. It could be people or anything, circumstances na bigla na lang mangyayari sa'yo para lang makumit yung goal mo. Okay, so yan, at saka belief, after mayroon tayong thoughts na ano yung gustong gawin natin, imagine natin, enable natin yung frequency na andun tayo. Tapos belief, mayroon tayong belief kaibigan na kaya natin gawin. Okay, kasi kung wala tayong belief na hindi daw natin yung kayang gawin kaibigan, kung hindi ka maniwala sa sarili mo, walang ibang maniwala kaibigan. Okay, no one can do it for you. Ikaw lang. Okay, so mayroon tayong belief. It could be other people won't believe you kaibigan, kahit ikaw lang talaga yung mismong naniwala na mangyayari yun o kaya mo itong gawin. You just have that belief kaibigan. Anyway, yung tao daw kaibigan is ang palagi niyang iniisip, binibigyan niya yung majority thoughts niya, yung mga bagay na hindi gustong mangyari sa kanya. Kasi yung mga gustong mangyari sa kanya, hindi niya binibigyan ng masyadong importante or majority or dominant thought. Yung mga bagay na hindi gusto mangyari, yun yung sa study, yun yung palagi iniisip daw ng tao, which is most likely hindi naman daw talaga yan mangyayari. So nai-stress ka sa bagay na most likely hindi naman daw talaga yan mangyayari. At kung palagi ka na nag-iisip sa bagay na gusto mong hindi mangyari, as a law of the universe, whatever you keep thinking, you will attract. So most likely yun yung palagi mong ma-attract. So anyway, So, gaano ka-importante itong inspired action, okay? Sabi ni Nobel Goddard, kahit pa itong manifestation kaibigan, kahit pa araw-araw ka nagma-manifest, araw-araw kang nagbabasa, araw-araw kang nagsasabi ng positive affirmation sa sarili mo kaibigan, but if you don't take inspired action kaibigan, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Okay, so hindi natin makukumit yung mga gusto natin or anything what we want or who we want to become if hindi tayo ano ng inspired action. Kailangan walang mangyayari kaibigan, kahit pa gaano ka ano yung manifestation mo, but kung bibigyan ka na ng opportunity diyan, manifestation is very good because it could start, that's the start. It could give you an idea, it could give you opportunities, people na pupunta dyan. But kung hindi daw tayo mag-ano ng inspired action, wala tayong inspired action kaibigan, is wala ding mangyayari. Okay, so end of the day, mayroon pa rin tayong inspired action na gagawin, kasi itong inspired action daw kaibigan, ito daw yung nagsasabi na sa universe kaibigan na we are ready. Okay, we are ready kasi kailan nag-take action tayo, we are ready and we are responding kung ano yung binigay na opportunity sa atin sa universe, that we are ready to take that action, we are ready to fulfill kung ano may yung gusto natin. So kailangan lang tayo ng inspired action. So ipakita natin sa universe na you are really deserving because you take action. Okay, so hindi daw yan straightforward. Maraming obstacle daw yan kaibigan, maraming obstacle. But kung tayo ay persistent, it could lead, kung palagi lang daw talagang ini-enable natin yung imagination natin at we take inspired action. Sabi ni Neville Goddard, there is no way na hindi natin makomit yung kung ano mo yung gusto natin. Wow kaibigan, wow, welcome to Kalsada University. Wow, mayroon tayong natutunan ngayon na gaano ka-importante itong inspired action. Okay, so end of the day kaibigan, ito yung parang final na kung na after nating mag-enable yung thoughts natin, after natin yung manifestation, kung mag-take tayo ng inspired action kaibigan, then we are on the right path. Okay, so we just trust the universe na all the things that we do na inspired action is para i-guide tayo. Okay, i-guide tayo. So yun lang, i-trust lang talaga natin kaibigan. As long as we do the inspired action, i-trust natin sa power above us kaibigan, na lahat ng mga ginagawa natin is towards our goal. Wow. Okay, so it's a good learning kaibigan. It's a good learning na kung mayroon daw tayong iniisip na it could be we are scared or hindi natin nasimulan kasi hindi natin to failed or ibato, so we might take action and try to show to the universe that yes, I am here, I am ready to take action. So universe have no choice to give that kung ano yung gusto daw natin. Wow. Kaya napakaganda talaga na we keep learning. Okay, so kailangan tayong mag-unlearn din kaibigan. Unlearn. So putulin natin yung mga wired sa brain natin na it could be mayroon tayong mga old belief na since tayo ay bata pa, binoot up tayo na napakahirap yan tanggalin. But it's time daw na i-reevaluate natin if those old belief, if they still nagsiserve pa ba yan sila ngayon sa atin. Pag hindi na, it's time, kaya pala ako daw ikaw ganito kasi that's how you think, that's how you and what you're thinking, most likely it will lead to your action, and your action will become your reality. So if we take inspired action kaibigan, that action should be yung mga towards kung ano may yung gusto natin. Wow! Hopefully mayroon tayong natutunan kaibigan at hindi ko nasayang yung oras mo. I wish you well. Open your arms, close your eyes, open your arms, touch your legs, and this all be yours. Peace, love, good health, abundance, all the riches in the world. So yun yan, boom! Shakala nagkalakala. See you next time.